Hello, Johnny. I just purchased this from Costco, and I wanted. This is a IPS screen, and it's only $100, and it is 23.8 inches. So this one is actually pretty big. Last time I bought one was 27, and last time I bought one was 27, and this one is 23.8 inches, and that one was like I don't remember. I think it was on sale on Black Friday for $200. So I'm gonna do a quick video unboxing, and also I bought this one. I bought this one. It's not really on sale as cheap as you guys got for 25 bucks. I got this like 40 some dollar, $48, and it's because I want to have a second one because I really like the idea of the stick light up, and I wanted to hack one of those. And then this one is the Japanese version, the one that I broke. This is actually a Japanese game inside, because the one I got first time I got it was American version game. It wasn't a true Japanese ROM in the case. So this one is a true Japanese game inside and outside. So I already messed up mine, so I'm gonna keep this one. This one I'm not gonna hack. I'm just gonna keep it. It comes with everything, and it was like $100 only. So it comes with 2 joysticks and everything. So this one I bought back like a month ago, maybe a month, almost a month. So I think the price is still good on Amazon, so you could go check it out. So that's what I'm gonna open that. So I'm gonna do a fast video and open all this up and test it, see how well this screen is compared to the the 10 inches that I have. Because if this one is good, I might use this for my arcade one up, and then use the 27 inches for the pinball, because I want to build a pinball machine using Android. So I might use that for that purpose. Okay. I got both of them plugged in, and they both look pretty good. I like the idea this one have the round base, light up. And I really like that, the way they designed that. And the game seemed to be okay. This one is the international version. So, but this is the one that I never did a video what exactly is supposed to be there. And so when I messed up my game, I couldn't create the screen background of the original game. But this is the first game. You have to change from Japan to English, because they don't have the they come in Japan, because this is a Japanese version. So let's go through it real quick. For those of you who have never seen this. Now they do have a new hack that is out, and that support USB. So I'll be trying to check that out, because I have not touched that for a long time. And so, and this one is an international version. So let's check, see what kind of game it has. Start with the number 1. Okay, this one seems to have the Metal Slug version. Okay, so let me test one of the game, see comparison of how well they play against each other. The joystick seem to be fine. I don't have any joystick issue. Let me zoom back this out and let's start both of them at the same time, see if they both start at the same time or not. Start or A, press A. They seem to stop. Just a different version have a different so this is the Japanese one, that's the international. But they seem to start, both of them start up pretty much the same time. The colors seem to be pretty much the same. It's like a 3.1, It's a 3.2 screen. I'm gonna plug it to the TV and see how it looks. I want to see if a sound will come out from the TV. Okay, I got a bad news about this screen. Acer, it do not come with the input sound. So there's no speaker built in, that's fine, but it doesn't have audio come out. So if you plug this using the HDMI, it expects the sound to come out from here. So when you plug this speaker, the amplifier, into the system, it won't work because the way Neogeo is made, the sound will not come out from the amplifier. So there's no sound. What I mean by that is like I added the amplifier and there's no sound come out. So the only way I could get the sound to come out, I have to unplug the TV. Okay. And once I unplug the TV, then you hear the sound from the little speaker that I have right there. Okay. So this TV is, the measurement of this TV is, it's not too bad. The graphic and the price is not too bad. But if you planning to use it on a Neogeo Mini, I don't recommend it because you don't have no sound, and you cannot use the speaker, the head jack from here because it won't work. Okay. So this TV will not work for Neogeo Mini. The measurement for this one is 21.2. Gonna cost 21 inches 0.2, and then 12 from here, from the black line all the way down, is 12.6, and it's close to 24 inches diagonally, but it's actually 23.8 diagonally. Okay. The graphic is pretty cool. They have a button that you could push, enter button, and it give you a different mode right here. If you press it again from the back, you could enter the picture, you could change the darkness, the color, the performance, but there's no audio, there's no built-in speaker on this system, because in the paper it said optional, but in the paper it also say have an audio in. But I look everywhere, back, side, left. I even have another person help me look for it. This just don't have an input, only a VGA, and in other words, it only have the input right here. You only have like HDMI and a video in. Okay, so you could either change it to VGA in or HDMI. There's no, and VGA in is for computer, and this is the just for monitor. So this one is mainly for monitor, but it doesn't have a built-in speaker, which is kind of sad, because when I asked the salesperson from Costco, I bought this from Costco. I think I told you guys wrong. I bought this from Costco, and for $99, and I asked them, do they have a built-in speaker? And he say, because I told him that I don't see no audio input or audio out, and they say, yeah, it does. It come with it. Yeah, the box say it come with it, but inside the box, there's no plug for it. Yeah, the box outside does. It did say there's a audio video, but in the paper say that, but the box that I got do not have it. So, but the graphic, you look at both sides, top and bottom, is very nice, and it's good for playing game. But the problem is I won't have any sound to play the game, you know. So let's see. And even if I plug in the audio video from here, there's not gonna have no sound, you know. So I'm taking that off because that didn't help me anything. So I guess if you plug this to a TV, then you won't get no. If you plug this to TV and you try to listen to it like a mute from your ear plug, it's not gonna work, because apparently this option is not available for this system, which is kind of weird and sad. That I didn't know that would be the problem, because I always thought that if they have a headset and you could plug any headset to it and it should just work, but apparently it do not. I can't find the character I'm looking for. Where's that female character that I always use? Disappear. I guess I'll use that person instead. So yeah, there's no sound to this game. So I'm gonna go look into it and see what I could find. I mean, if it have a built-in speaker, that'll be real cool, you know, because the other one that I bought that was bigger and more expensive, it have a built-in audio, but doesn't have a speaker. So you have to plug into amplifier or something, but it will come out from TV. But the problem is this plug in and there's nothing to come out, so the sound cannot come out at all. So you cannot really use this. It's only like a monitor apparently. So anyway, I'm gonna end it like that because I'm kind of not happy with this monitor. So I'm gonna see if I could figure out how to get the sound working. If I still can't figure it out, I'm just gonna post it, and I'm probably gonna return it back to Costco, because I can't use a monitor that doesn't have for me to able to video game it, you know, that I have to use a separate speaker, which is kind of weird. Alright, thanks for watching. Later. Okay, it looks like that this TV will work if you use the Neogeo and you plug it to the headset. But with this one, it do not work. like that. But this one will, even though that one in the back have the same plug, you could plug it in, but the sound won't come out of TV. So if you play the Neogeo Mini with this TV, it will work. The graphics look very nice. Now, if it doesn't work and you still want to play Neogeo Mini or whatever it might be, you will have to get an adapter like this. This adapter will help you have an input in and audio out. So it kind of split the HDMI from a video to the audio, so you could plug into a speaker. Okay, but the Neogeo arcade stick is good. You don't have to do that. I'm playing the arcade bunk right now, so this will work with the audio out, and I have it plugged into the amplifier with a tiny speaker. So, and this is what I use for Raspberry Pi. So this is what I use. So this will work, this TV will work if you buy a special adapter, but it will work with Raspberry Pi, but it just won't work on Neogeo Mini. So just FYI. So if you buy for Neogeo Mini, probably not, but for pretty much other thing like arcade or Raspberry Pi, it will work. Alright, because yeah, it will work. Alright, later man. Thank you for watching.